Itina wandongo ya chama cha Wiper kwipatanga ngwatanoni ya Azimio ni wasiokithia ingi kwi umuthi valani itina wa kutwaisya unenanya na atongo ima ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance vala wapetanga wendi wa kukitia usumbi.
Ladies and gentlemen and fellow Kenyans, after wide consultation with the party leadership, the clergy and the professionals, I've decided to accept with humility and appreciation my nomination as the Chief Minister in the Azimio One Kenya coalition. Of course, when, and not, the question is not if we form the government. It is when we form the next government. Beginning today, I commit myself to the Azimio Oka campaign activities because we're in this race to win. We have no option. Absolutely no option.
Ingi Kalonzo ni wa mutungia muvea mwene kivila wa chama cha KANU Gideon Moi kwa kwithiwa hongamita nake kwi kweu na kwi iyoo. Ula unasa kwitwa ni Kalonzo Musyoka ta munini wake Andrew Sunguli kukitia kivila cha usumbi ni wetikilana na utio wake Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kusyokithia vala matia ni abamwe Azimio.
Your Excellency, I want to confirm to you today that giving way does not make you a scoundrel. Giving way does not make you a flip-flopper. Giving way does not make you an undecided person. Giving way does not even make you a watermelon. Giving way, in fact, gives way to you becoming a great man tomorrow. And so may God bless you, and I have promised that you and I will walk this journey with your colleagues our colleagues in Oka, and I shall stand with you, and I support the decision that you have taken today.
Today you've subordinated your ambitions, your dreams, not for anything but for the sake of the Republic of Kenya, for the sake of the people of Kenya. And for me, it was easy to stand by you. It was easy to be your friend. It was easy to be your brother, because simply of your character, simply because of the kind of person you are, simply because of the love of God that you have. And I saw it in you, and it manifested in our conversations and in your actions. So I'm proud to call you my friend. I'm proud to call you my brother. And as we start this journey, I will stand with you to the end. God bless.
Itina wandongo hii ya chama cha Wiper kumia uneni wake ni watu wa uteti wake wa kisiasa kisioni cha mkulu kwa njenga kila kiva ilovi gilivotea Chen TV va ilovi Mesha Kemanzi.